Hey, it's Alex Mine with Mother Trucker News. Man, first off, please go follow Kimmy Living Life on TikTok. Her and her husband caught something that is so crazy right here. You know, this was out on Highway 58, mile marker 52 in Oregon. You know, as a bed bugger, I've been on that road and it wasn't that bad. Basically, the situation was there's two semi-trucks and they work for the same company, and they were basically driving to drop off their shipment, and they had a 60,000 pound load of potatoes, and they both lost their brakes and they both had to use the runaway ramps. You know, by the time the police got there, basically the situation was the second semi-truck crashed into the first one and there was a lot of fuel on the ground. But with that said, they basically had to use a translator to talk to the truck drivers, and that's where they said they lost their brakes. Something like this is definitely not acceptable, and I'm sorry to say it, but you know, either this company has a really faulty equipment or these two drivers need more training. Whatever it is, you know, this isn't right. And Mother Truckers, comment down below. I really want your thoughts about this. I've never heard of two semi-trucks using the runaway ramp basically seconds after another for the same company running together, and they need a translator. Mother Truckers, comment down below.